So I just finished removing the old ribbon cable that was damaged, and I'm now inserting the beautiful new ribbon cable. So I'm going to thread it through the hinge and underneath the motherboard and connect it in there. And then I'm taking off the adhesive and applying down the ribbon cable for the webcam. It actually feels really good when I'm just like pulling off those little tabs. Stick it down, stick that down, remove this last corner of adhesive here, stick that down. That's the troubled spot there. So if high definition monitor, pretty standard in a 15-inch laptop these days. Make sure there's a click on both sides there. You remove the adhesive and stick that in. Be done there. Flip this over and the LCD is reconnected. The screws to hold in the LCD, those are important. Now that the LCD screws are back in, cable for the Wi-Fi antenna and the cable for the LCD slip in right through like this. Move the fan out of the way. Move the fan. Drop the cable underneath. Snap this back on. Close this up. See if we can make the LCD ribbon connection. And the moment of truth is it working? And I can tilt the screen at any angle. There we go. It works. It's fully functional.